Welcome Mabukeli. Today we'll be doing a quick prediction for 5 odds. Today we are playing Champions League. It's where UEFA Champions League is, Benfica is playing against Inter Milan. They just give just give both teams to score. The second one in Man City and Bayern Munich again, just there. You say win-win and both teams to score. Again, Sanspor from taking League 1 versus Transport, just give Sanspor a straight win. International friendly games for women's: Switzerland versus Iceland over 1.5, Austria versus Czech Republic over 1.5, Belgium versus Slovenia over 1.5, Netherlands versus Poland over 1.5, England versus Australia over 1.5, France versus Canada over 1.5. The last one is FC Duty against Red Rovers. They are from Scotland Championship. Just give FC Duty straight win. Thanks for today. Thanks for watching. I wish all the best. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.